Mfine review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're looking for quick access to doctors and healthcare services, Mfine promises convenient telemedicine, but is it really effective? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking telehealth apps only cover minor ailments. Mfine offers consultations with certified doctors across multiple specialties, from general medicine to nutrition and mental health. You can book appointments, chat with doctors, and even receive prescriptions directly through the app. Another advantage is speed. Users can get consultation within minutes, avoiding long waits at clinics. The app also stores your medical history digitally, making follow-up smoother and helping doctors provide better informed advice. Mfine also integrates diagnostics. You can order lab tests from home, track results, and get recommendations all without stepping outside. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional delays during peak hours, and certain specialists may not be available in all regions. Video consultation quality can vary depending on your internet connection, and insurance coverage through the app is limited in some cases. In conclusion, Mfine offers an accessible, fast, and comprehensive telehealth experience. The surprising truth is that while it can replace routine doctor visits, it may not fully substitute in-person care for complex or emergency situations. For anyone seeking convenient medical consultations, lab tests, and prescriptions from home, Mfine is a powerful tool, but always know when to seek in-person care for serious conditions.